Mechanics are often handed other people's cars after they've attempted to service or upgrade them themselves when they don't know how. This is customer states. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they had the service light come on 50,000 miles ago and wanted them to top the oil up.
Peace. It hurts. The dangly bit. Little bits and chunks coming out.
This customer brought their LS engine swapped car in for a tune, forgetting to mention that the car does not start or run, and that they swapped it with an engine wiring loom for another car.
Y'all please gotta stop using your buddy who can do it for less. Not even hooking up the map sensor, just taping up stuff because they bought the wrong harness. Probably some Amazon shit. Don't run. In for a tune. Won't start though. ECU's got no power because whoever wired it did a fantastic job. So anyways, you get what you pay for, guys.
This customer states that they have a tire light on their Nissan and must have a flat. Upon further investigation, the tires are recommended to be 38 psi, which isn't the case.
Customer states on the Nissan that his tire lights are on. They thought they might be a dead sensor. This one had 65 pounds. This one had 80 pounds. This one has 65. And this one has 70. On a little Nissan Maxima, they should only have 35 pounds.
This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they installed their own exhaust, but thought they could hear something knocking afterwards, and wanted them to check out his installation.
Not on the rubber there. They've crimped that down. And then they're holding it up with fucking sizzle. What the fuck?
This customer brought this car in demanding cheap used tires, which I think is the least of their problems considering the chassis is rusted out. This customer brought in their Lamborghini for an oil change. Check out how difficult it is to reach the oil filter. This customer brought their vehicle in after they did their own oil change on a sloped driveway. Because of the slope, the oil gauge read wrong, and they ended up overfilling by twice as much.
I don't think there's gonna be any water in there.
No.
Was the coolant tank full?
This customer brought their car in, stating that the car honks by itself every time they turn the headlights on, I bet this caused some confusion on the roads. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that something is banging underneath and the car sounds different, demanding them zip tie the problem together. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they need a wheel alignment for free, stating they can use their truck for pictures if they do the job right. This brand new Ford Explorer had water getting into the vehicle and had to have the entire interior removed and replaced, costing over $26,000 in parts alone.
What 26 grand looks like for all interior parts for a 2021 Explorer ST. There's that pile. There's another pile. There's the seat covers and all the insulation, plus the drain tube. There's the airbags. All for this brand new 2021 ST that had a pond in it because of a water leak. So this whole interior is getting gutted on a vehicle with less than 8,000 miles on it. Yay, Monday!
This customer came in demanding wheel spacers and refused to be upsold on anything else, like maybe a control arm to control the vehicle from not killing you.
Amazing. A shiny new hub in there. Sheesh.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that his wife had just purchased this new truck without him looking over it first. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.